Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. Today we will talk about how to use the Binance NFT platform, but before we start, please subscribe to our social media channels and turn on the notifications to not miss out on the latest news and upcoming pre-sales. If you do not have a Binance account, you can sign up with a 20% discount code through the link you can find below this video. And if you have never used Binance before, you can watch our Binance tutorial playlist. If you have never heard about NFTs, you can watch our NFT tutorial videos. After logging into our Binance account, we can access the Binance Nft Portal by clicking on this NFT button. Binance NFT is one of the largest centralized NFT marketplaces. Anyone can browse and trade a diverse selection of in-game items, digital collectibles, virtual land, art pieces, and event tickets. Binance NFT Portal has a very user-friendly interface, so you will not be having any difficulties when you are on this platform. We are currently looking at the NFT homepage. We can see the recent purchases made from here, and we have the recommended NFT and mystery box collections in here. We can see their daily market volume and daily floor price. The floor price is the cheapest NFT in that collection as of today. However, these prices can change at any minute. Today's video will be about how to use the Binance NFT platform, nothing less or nothing more. If you are unfamiliar with these terms or how to identify a good project, please watch our NFT tutorial playlist. You can find the links for our tutorials in the comments below. Let's continue to scroll down. We have the top weekly NFTs and mystery box collections, recommended creators, and featured NFTs. To purchase one of these NFTs, we need BNB, Binance USD, or Ethereum coins in our spot wallets. These are the three accepted cryptocurrencies on the Binance NFT marketplace. This portal has many uses, but one of the main benefits of using the Binance NFT portal is participating in various NFT events to earn profits. Now let's scroll up and explore the other options. We have the gaming IGO, marketplace, and mystery boxes options in here. Let's start with the IGO. You may be aware or not, but move to earn and play to earn projects are popular amongst crypto users, and some of these projects are known to be well profited. So far, 17 IGO projects launched from the Binance NFT platform with a total volume of $1 billion. 265,000 users staked almost $55 million to participate in these IGO launches. We can see the total volume each project has, how many units are on the market, how much was the pre-sale price, and how much the current floor price. The latest IGO launch was the limited edition Steppen NFTs. I participated in this event and earned a ticket by staking 0.5 BNB coins. However, I couldn't purchase the NFT and instead received my money back. Some of those NFTs sold for $7,000. If we click on this more details button, we can see a more detailed version of each project, such as their website, Twitter account, and the marketplace for that project. For example, let's click on this marketplace button and visit the Steppen NFT market in Binance. The latest NFT was sold for $1,500. There are currently 52.5 thousand items available on the market, and its current floor price is almost $1,300 with a 30% increase. We have these filters. We can search NFTs by typing their names or aligning them with filters. For example, I can change my filters to see the cheapest shoes or the exact opposite. Now let's scroll up again. This marketplace option shows every NFT in the market. Again, we can search items by typing their names or using these filters. We can see the top collections, sales, and creators by clicking on this NFT rankings button. These are the top collections. Check this out, guys. Someone paid $2.8 million for this NFT, and these are the top creators. Last but not least, we have the mystery boxes, which are my favorite. We can earn profits by participating in these sales. We can click on every one of them to learn more about their projects. We can see how many items will be when the sale starts and what benefits these NFTs can provide. But of course, we need to know which project to invest first. After all, these NFT mystery boxes are more like gambling. You may buy one mystery box for $15, but later you may not even be able to sell it for $5. So yes, they are my favorite, but don't get involved in it too much. To sell the NFTs or mystery boxes, we can click on this profile icon and select the user center. After selecting which NFT we would like to sell, we can set up a price and an expiration date. And we can choose if we would like to sell it via auction or with a fixed price. For each NFT we sell, we pay a 1% commission fee. After setting up everything, we can click on this submit button and our NFT will be on a review for listing, which takes about 5 to 10 minutes, but in some cases it can take up to 8 hours. I hope this video was educational enough for you. If yes, please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for latest news and upcoming pre-sales. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.